ladies and gentlemen, gather around as we delve into the fascinating world of one of the most precious spices known to humanity, saffron. Saffron, Crocus sativus, is not just a culinary delight, but a powerhouse of health benefits. It's known to improve mood and may help alleviate symptoms of depression. It helps treat digestive issues, making your tummy happier. This spice adds a rich golden hue and a distinct flavor to your dishes. Packed with antioxidants, it fights off free radicals and reduces inflammation. Saffron requires moderate watering, needing a drink every 7 to 10 days. Plant its bulbs in the fall for the best results. The precious stigmas are harvested in the fall when the flowers bloom, making it a seasonal treasure. Saffron thrives in full sun, basking in about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. It prefers well-drained, sandy, or loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 8.0. On the medicinal side, saffron can help treat mild to moderate depression, stimulate appetite, and aid in weight loss by reducing snacking and curbing appetite. It's also known to help alleviate menstrual discomfort and premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Sprinkle a little sunshine, transform your dishes, and boost your mood with saffron magic. Imagine the vibrant color, the rich flavor, and the myriad of health benefits, all in a tiny strand of saffron. So why wait? Dive into the golden goodness of saffron today.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.